Yo, it's Jamie Ventures here and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm taking on a brand new challenge, day trading as a complete beginner. Yep, you've heard that right. I'm going to try and take on those markets and make sense of all those charts. I'm going to take on this roller coaster ride of a challenge and I want you to come along with me. Hit that subscribe button and let's get started. So to make it even more fun, we're entering an $8 million day trading competition as well. So we're starting on the first day of his day trading competition. Big moment. So we're starting with, that's the account balance, $521. So let's see how much we can go up or down and see where we can place in this competition. Got myself a trading view account and we're going to see what we can do.
Few moments later.
Right, we've just entered his first trade, so I'll show you what I've put on. So we've come on to BTC. I've drawn a trend line. I've entered just above here, just around there, and I'm aiming for probably like Monday low. Okay, so we've sold the first trade. Didn't quite make the Monday low, and we started going back up, and I saw it come down to here, so I sold here, and then look what happened, boom. So I'm just trying to play it safe at the moment, and I've got my trade rules down, and if I see anything, any weakness or anything, and I'm in profit, I'm just going to take that profit. Okay, so it's end of the day and I'm just going through my journal. I entered a couple more trades and we switched from short to long, and the market continues to sell off some more. So we've ended up hitting a stop loss on one of the trades, still in some of the others, but we're still on a loss at the minute. First day, not a great start. Alright, it's the next day. So stayed in a trade last night. So I'll just show you the trades that I'm in and where we're at in the competition. So we're in an AVAX trade here, and his entries weren't too great. We got one like here. This here, I'm treating this as the support, so I'm staying in it for now. The MACD, you can see, is starting to track up, so I'm thinking staying in it. But this stock RSI is at the top, but it could track back up, so I'm just going to watch that one for now. So this is where I'm standing at the minute. So you can see I've lost $8 so far. Bruh. We are pretty much like nearly 63,000 position in the competition.
Nice.
So I've entered my trades for the day. Whoa, we're in the money. Check it out. So I will be looking at taking profits shortly. Just going to keep this in play for a little bit longer, but you know, we're always looking to take that profit and, you know, keep it rolling. And the profits are rolling in. So I've entered a few trades and we're in the profit, but we did sell a couple a little bit too early, but it is what it is. So I'm about to get a quick trim, put my stop losses on, put my TPs on, and let's not marry the trades and see what happens. Alright, we've hit a stop loss. Well, we've got this fresh trim, but it's part of the risk management. On to the next trade. So the day's gone on, we've entered the trades perfectly. Check out the profits for today. It's rolling in, looking like a good day today, and we've progressed well in the competition. So I've literally just hopped out of the shower, my phone were going crazy. Look what's just happened. Massive candle straight to the downside. I've been stopped out and everything, and I've come so close to getting liquidated on that BTC. Luckily, I just set an order below it and I just missed it. If it keeps going down, chance I'm going to be liquidated out of this. Don't know what's going on, but it's not the way that I thought the move was going to go. I think it's probably caught a lot of people out. Alright, so it's the next day after the big shakeout of just all my longs just getting flushed out, apart from being in BTC. This morning it's just gone sideways again, and we've just had a bit of another flush down. I didn't get flushed out of my long, but I'm very close to now getting stopped out. Check it out. So as you can see right now, that's where we're going to get stopped out. That's where the price came right down to. So at the minute we're clutching on, and let's just hope we can hold out, and let's just hope this price just bounces up and we fly into profits. No! So this trading, it's getting stressful. I've got to get out, clear my head, so I've come to the gym. It's literally, the price is barely moving, and then all of a sudden we'll get a wick straight up, and then it's straight back down. It's literally like the stairs up, elevator down. I don't know what to do, so I've got to come out, clear my head, and yeah, it seems to be moving more on the New York Times, so we'll get back to the trading then. Come on, send it to the upside now. So it's been a few months and I finally feel like I can close out this video. After getting absolutely wrecked and my psychology just getting smashed, I finally feel like I can just touch on a few pointers that went wrong. So number one, chasing the money. Yeah, I wanted to place higher in the competition, so I upped my risk, and in turn this caused more greed, and well, it just shows what happened. Number two, I got attached to my trade. I had my vision, I had my lines in, I thought, yep, it's gonna go there, and it didn't. It was going the other way, but I stayed attached to it. I shouldn't have done. Never stay attached to your trade. And number three, I started to risk too much capital. I was putting too much money on one trade, and in turn, I got wrecked. So all in all, I lost 80% of my account. It isn't all of my account. I didn't fully blow it, but 80%, it's pretty much, you're gonna struggle to come back from that. Once you start losing more than 5% of your account, it gets higher and higher for your percentage chance to gain it back. So, you know, 80%, that account is blown. So is this the end of it for me? No. Guess what? I'm getting back. We're gonna come back. And I want to show you as a beginner that we can start being profitable and not to give up. That's the whole of my motivation to do these videos, is to show never give up, keep trying. And I want to show eventually that as a beginner you can learn and you can grow from things. So we're back to the drawing board. I've learned from my mistakes. I want you to hit that subscribe button so you can see me again take on the markets and come along on the journey, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.